Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Mac Mini from 2024 from Apple, and I'm going to show you how can you easily do a factory reset. The factory reset is also called a hard reset, and the thing is you're gonna do is go to settings and then go to general, as you can see over here. Now you have to scroll all the way down and click transfer or reset. Now you have to click erase all content and settings, and now you have to type your password. Now you have to click unblock. Now you have to click continue and click erase all content and settings. Now you have to wait a moment. And now, as you can see, we have to activate Mac. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.